One day, without warning, a second Earth just appears next to ours. No announcement, no fanfare, just there. Scientists scramble for answers. Was it a parallel universe? A glitch in space? It's identical. Same size, same continents, same oceans. Even the weather looks the same. People begin to wonder, what's going on over there? Is there a version of you on that Earth? A few brave souls attempt the first inter-Earth voyage. Can we visit? Will there be aliens? The spaceship doesn't crash. Instead, it just floats in place, unable to reach the other Earth. As Earth 2 stays put, we start noticing strange effects on our planet. 2 moons? 2 suns? Scientists discover that gravity from the second Earth is pulling on us. Suddenly, everything feels twice as heavy. As the gravitational tug increases, Earth's weather becomes unpredictable. Tornadoes, floods, and more. Earth 2's influence is real. The 2 Earths begin to pull on each other, creating massive tectonic shifts. Earthquakes, volcanoes, and sinkholes. World governments start eyeing Earth 2. Could it be a resource goldmine or a threat to national security? Fearing global disaster, the world unites for the first time. Can we make peace with Earth 2? It turns out there's no aliens on Earth 2, just us. But with one slight difference. The second Earth is not only a mirror. There are subtle differences, slightly different choices, small changes. But wait, are these really the same people? Are we living in a simulation, or is Earth 2 just a weird cosmic experiment? As time passes, Earth 2 slowly starts drifting away. What happens when they finally collide?